I'm Tim Sojka, and I'd like to welcome you to the Restrepo State Farm Office. I can say Restrepo, but I can't say
Restrepo.
Restrepo. It sounds much cooler when they say it than when I do. So the reason we're here is this is the office that the client did the best job customizing, and it's absolutely incredible. Why did you decide to own when you had been probably renting for years?
Well, it made sense in the long term. Basically, when we were renting, we didn't have the opportunity to actually build our own space and could feel our own. Yeah.
And you guys definitely customized this space.
Well, at the beginning it was not as easy. It was more like, babe, let's get a piece of land, let's build a pyramid, really crazy, really cool. Let's go to your office and maybe some shopping centers in the back. She said no to that. But then, we got the opportunity to kind of like join with other tenants or owners. And that's where we started.
So your office is located in Katy, right behind the H-E-B on Pin Oak. So great location. You can walk to several restaurants for lunch. Was it the location that attracted you, the right to customize your office, or a little bit of both of it?
It was both. Our old office was like 2 minutes away, so we just thought it was a great idea to invest in here because we wouldn't lose so much customers.
Yeah, time retention is important.
The last interview we did, we talked to someone, they said they're actually paying less to own than they were to rent. Now, I know you have a bigger space than you did before. How does the economics look? Is it about the same to rent as it was to own? Is it actually less to own?
Well, we actually purchased 5 offices out of this center, then fully rented out. We're going to be saving some money. So
you'll be saving money, and it could be a profit center.
Yeah, definitely. At least it's a returning kind of like nest for her in the future.
Have you been happy with your investment so far?
Yes, we've been very happy with the investment. I mean, the way that we designed it and everything, that it made sense.
It's one of the most beautiful offices I've ever seen. You could hardly tell, you actually had some specifications. You had to stay within a certain height and depth, but it looks like it was built exactly for you. That's really cool.
Well, we actually put a lot of effort into it by going back and forward with our team. They did a great job. But she's the master of it. I just threw a couple ideas down the road and she just managed them to make it up.
How easy was the selection process for you, picking out the glass walls and these incredible kind of ends that you added?
It was really easy. I mean, the team actually walked us through the whole process and they were easy to talk to. The communication went well.
You worked with Mike and Bernardo, correct?
Yeah, they're the best. It was so simple because we had the experience of our little office 1303. So when we walk in, it's like we knew what we wanted.
You knew what you wanted, right?
And they made it so easy for us and they did a great job.
What did you enjoy most about kind of customizing the space for you? Was it fun? Was it like a neat project? Did you enjoy it, or was it really scary?
I think it was fun.
It was fun.
The whole process was fun just because we put it into a piece of paper and now it came alive.
Imagine, it was just a napkin. We grabbed pretty much a napkin. She drew it kind of like the way that she wanted. And she was like, you don't see it? I'm like, yes, I do see it.
That's really cool. And I love it. It's kind of, I call this the doctor circle. It's kind of like you come in here, you can literally make your circle around the office. It really is set up well. My favorite feature of your office are these high ceilings and glass walls, I thought, until I saw kind of this woodwork you put in between. That's incredible. Where did you come up with the idea for that woodwork?
So actually, that's a company, it's called Katy. We are partners with them, very good people. Got tons of material and styles, but this is not just a piece of wood. This is actually a soundproof panel that absorbs the sound of this office.
And you were able to do that within the process. Yes. You were able to put that together and really customize it. That's
definitely.
Well, that's my favorite feature. What's your favorite feature?
I think the light that comes in, all the windows are, yeah, and the open space that's around us.
My favorite feature, I think, is the little guest.
The waiting area?
Waiting area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes, whenever she's working late, I just come there and lay down, take a nap while she's getting done.
I think what I like best about your office too is the location. Like, look, you have a YMCA right there. You have healthy food around, Mexican food or fried food or.
We got Alicia's there. It doesn't help it much with this one right here.
We go there once a week, so.
You go Alicia.
Yeah.
Steadfast has some upcoming projects, but they've been around a little while. What would you say about the ease of the process? Did you enjoy working with them?
We did. They walked us like step by step, everything that we had like questions about it. They clarified it. We did really enjoy it.
I think that the human factor of the staff, Craig.
Greg's incredible. Yeah.
Will and Bill, willing architect and building overall project. They are so sweet. They're like good, God-fearing people.
Right.
And on that principle, they're really good into doing what they say they will do. They stay behind us, and we're paying for something, and we want the best of the value, and they meet the expectation.
Yeah.
They fulfill that promise.
When you guys were talking about the high ceilings and everything, so I was involved in the project early. Even I couldn't imagine how great it was going to turn out. And I love that you guys had the vision to get us here. So Steadfast has upcoming projects in Fulshire and in Cyprus. And of course, we have a project at Katy Mills. If someone's thinking about buying, would you recommend that this is the company you absolutely buy with?
Definitely.
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very easy to work with, and if you got the means to customize your office in this way, they can do better. They can do it.
The thing I like best about Steadfast, if you want a pre-selected office that's been laid out, 1,320 square feet, 3 offices, they have it. If you want to customize, they have it. If you want to meet somewhere in the middle, they can do a little bit of everything.
Definitely.
So I love that about working with them. Thank you so much. You guys were a real pleasure to work with.
Thank you.